Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Roberts. I'm going to be showing you how to use the service stand. First thing you want to do is walk up on the side of your bike here. You want to kick up your side stand because that will get in the way. And as you're pushing it under, you might come in contact with the exhaust. You might need to rock the bike left or right, just depending if there's any interference. But you'll see this little claw arm. This is going to go right behind your foot peg yoke. You want to make sure you got it on both left and right side. So right there. There it locked in. You can feel the bike. The bike will hold itself up. Make sure, if you look at my right hand, I'm putting constant pressure on the lever because the moment I let off, it's going to want to tip. So make sure there's pressure, and then you can walk to the back grab handle, lift up and push down at the handle at the same time. And you're now in service position. And then in the reverse order, grab the grab handle, your service handle. Just will very gently. Make sure you're constantly putting pressure on this because, again, the moment you let go of that, your bike will fall over. So handle on that, your handlebar, then you can remove it. Side stand down, you're good to go.